We're not traveling today. We're here at the house in the kitchen making the famous Neiman Marcus cookies. It's quite a bit of stuff to it. It includes butter, chocolate chips, flour, brown sugar, soda, salt, sugar, brown sugar, oatmeal that's blended, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 8 ounces of Hershey bar, which Mr. Carter is grating right now. Miss Jillian is mixing the oatmeal with the sugar. It's a family effort, so we're doing this. It's mid-December. We're making cookies just that we'll have. I doubt if there's going to be any left over for Christmas, but that's okay. We'll distribute these to the family and maybe some friends. So we're just going to film this and see if you like it. It's called a Neiman Marcus cookie recipe. We're going to do a third just regular chocolate chips, and then a third is going to be with coconut, and a third is going to be with some chopped macadamia nuts.
Yes, and my job will be clean up.
Ely likes to clean. She doesn't like to bake or make cookies.
No, I'm just behind the scenes.
She's behind the scenes. So we're mixing the butter along with the sugar, the white sugar, and we're going to get some brown sugar, mix it up, and then add it to the other mix that Miss Jillian is working on right now.
This is all the ingredients.
Carter's been working hard at grating that. That's taken a long time. It's a lot of work to grate all that. To be sloppy.
That's why I'm here to clean up.
I hate dealing with the flour because the flour is the hardest part. That's a lot of work.
Yeah, Carter's done a great job of that. G as well.
We basically have 2 cups there. We'll add that there. Mix this together and add it to there, and then add the flour. It's going to be quite thick. It's going to be tough to mix together. This is pretty dry. And then we'll roll it up into balls and put it on cookie sheets, baking sheets, and with some parchment paper so that it won't stick. And we have to bake about 2 or 3 sheets at a time.
What are you doing, Mr.
Alright, Miss
Carter?
Jillian, you're good. Mr. Carter, you're good. Wash your hands. Or lick your hands if you want to. It's good chocolate. Not to waste the chocolate. Chocolate is one of the food groups, in my opinion. I'm a chocoholic, so, and so is Jillian. Mr. Carter, are you a chocoholic?
Yep.
Yep, Carter's a chocoholic.
No, he likes cherries. He loves cherry pie.
So we're adding all together. We're going to add the other ingredients too.
It looks like applesauce.
We've done these in years past, last year actually, and we did a couple of times, and we were kind of sloppy, but I think this year we're not so sloppy. Add chocolate chips. So Miss Jillian, you want to add the chocolate chips?
So I like dump it all?
Yep, dump it in there.
Like all of
Just
these?
all of it. Throw it all over. Okay.
Yummy.
Hershey bar and nuts. We're not going to add nuts yet. The Hershey bar, we're going to do this too. Look at all this nice shaved chocolate.
Ooh.
Looks like a mountain.
4 cups of flour. We've mixed the batter, everything together, and then now what we're doing is we've separated them into 3 sections. One of them we're going to put shredded coconut. Another one, I tried to grind the macadamia nuts, but the device I used actually made it more like a peanut macadamia nut butter. So either way, we're just going to mix it together. So that's going to go in that one. This one will go into this, and these are just going to be plain Neiman Marcus chocolate chip cookies. So we're gonna mix it all together. And then we're gonna throw a bunch of coconut into this one. I'm not measuring anything, I'm just gonna throw a bunch.
I love coconut. This one is my favorite.
A lot of people love coconut. I shared it with coworkers and stuff last year, and they really loved it. So
I like chocolate.
put in lots of coconut. We could even make some coconut and macadamia nut, but I think we'll just stick with separate like that. So
Okay.
now we're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna roll them into little balls. So we're gonna do one section first, and then we won't mix them together, so everybody knows what they're getting. We're doing the regular chocolate chip cookies first. We're rolling them in a little ball. It's a little tough sometimes because they're a little on the dry side, but we did the way the recipe called for. Julian, that's put more than that. Okay. And so we're gonna do, we only have 2 sheets. We're gonna do 2 sheets at a time, and then we're gonna take them out and put them out to cool down before we put them in bags. We hope they come out good. So far we've kind of taste tested them a little bit, the dough, and it tastes pretty darn good. So
You think it's good, Trinity?
Yeah.
Julian, bigger. Make them bigger. See, you're making them too small.
It's so hard.
No, it's not. Here are the cookies. The chocolate chip are here. The macadamia nut chocolate chip are here. And the coconut chocolate chip are here. There's still a few baking still, so that's why this one's a little more empty. Some of them are kind of broke apart, so they don't look the prettiest, but they are tasty. If you want these, to make these, we will be putting the recipe in the description, and you can make them yourself, and we'd like to hear back, and you can put in the comments section if you make them and how they turned out and so forth. So we're about to sample the fruits of our labor of making all these Neiman Marcus cookies, the 3 different types. So we're gonna have it with milk, except Ely, who doesn't care to drink milk. Okay?
Okay, let's try.
Try them out.
The coconut one is delicious.
No, chocolate chip is.
Jillian doesn't like the coconut or the nut one, so she's straight chocolate chip. And Carter likes to dip it in milk. They don't look the prettiest, but they are the tastiest.
Yes. I didn't help to make, but I clean everything, and they approved. It's very, very good. Especially the coconut one.
I don't get many points for artistry, but cookies don't have to look good to taste good.
But the taste is perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends.
Thank you. Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.